name's Amethyst with WTI, and behind me, staring at me quite rudely, are my 3 pet rats. And I am sharing with you guys today one of the foods that I add to their food mix, and then sometimes give to them as a treat. These right here are oven-dried black soldier fly grubs. I have to read it because it's a mouthful for me, but this is by the brand Grubbly Farms, and I chose this brand for a specific reason. Through my research, it just seemed like this was a good brand to support. I love that it says that they're farm-grown, sustainable. They have so much information on the back here. You get a guaranteed analysis of what you're going to get in here. It has instructions on how to wean your chickens from one point to another, which I really enjoy. It just shows that the company really truly cares about the pets that we are feeding. For me personally, my pets are my everything, so even though they're small, they deserve the best, and I really feel confident in this brand here. I absolutely love these for them, and they really enjoy them as well. They go absolutely crazy for these grub worms here. So if you're looking for something for your chickens or for your small pet, then I highly recommend this brand here, and that is my point of view.